Reptile 98, I'm feeding my iguana mongols as a little treat. I had the flash on, didn't realize that. I got some blueberries in there too. Yeah, she's getting a lot bigger. Real big. She can't grab it, it's too slippery. There you go. How am I shaking so much? That's it. If I can put those right there. See if it'll go over. What he'll probably do his daily routine. Go out and about, get the sun, eat some dirt. He'll bask right there. That's pretty much it though. Not really a good video, but it's a video. I don't know why that hell's there. Yeah. Those birds don't shut up, man. They're annoying. Yeah, this is Lizzy. She's getting pretty big. She looks a lot bigger than the last time. Took a video of her. So you can tell, right there, she looks a lot bigger. Her tail looks a lot longer. It's regenerating pretty good. Don't get mad at me, buddy. I ain't your enemy. I ain't your enemies. Yeah, she'll stay there. Where's some sandals? Well, that's a grill and that's a kiddie pool. You could kind of compare that, I guess, to her size. Or shit, maybe she's kind of like along this line. If you follow that up, it's her nose. That's 1, 2, 3. And this line right here. She's about a little less than 3 feet, about 3 feet. If she had her tail longer, she would probably be like a good 3.5, because she has a little stub tail. 0 down 98.